First, you're going to add Elmer's school glue. I'm just making a small batch. Next, we're going to add some clear glue. You're only going to want to add about 1/3 of the amount of clear glue to the white glue. Last, we're going to add some foaming facial cleanser. You're going to want to have one that has glycerin in it, and I'm only going to put in about a pump. Once all the ingredients are mixed in, you're going to want to add some activator. I used 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water, and you're going to add a little bit at a time, mix, and then if it's still sticky, add a little more and keep mixing. You don't want to overactivate it. If you guys noticed, I didn't add any lotion to the slime because I feel like the lotion makes more of a creamy slime and I want it to be nice and fluffy, so I don't recommend adding lotion. Once the slime starts pulling away from the spatula and bowl, you can go in with your hands and start kneading the slime. You're going to want to keep kneading the slime until it doesn't feel stringy when you pull it. The texture should be soft, pokeable, and stretchy. The clay I used is from Dope Slimes. It's his polymer soft clay, and I believe that Slimeyoda used this slime, but now she sells it in her shop, so you can go buy it from her or Dope Slimes. Either way, they make the same texture. I ended up adding about half the amount of clay to slime. The end texture should be soft and spreadable. It is almost like a slay slime, so it's not a full butter slime. When you press your fingers into the slime, it should go a little glossy. It's not a dense slime, it's nice and fluffy. Next, you're going to put it in an airtight container for a few days to let the slime deflate a bit, because when you mixed in the clay, it inflated and put a bunch of air bubbles in, so you're just waiting for them to rise right now.